All right, so today we're working on a SIM271DE2.0. This is for a Mercedes C-Class C250. So we are working with HexProg today. We got it hooked up here. This is the setup. HexProg, we got the power adapter, we got the power and ground signal and CAN bus wires hooked in, and we've got 13 volts feeding from this little power adapter here. Okay, and we've got it hooked up to the back according to the diagram given by the HexProg software. We got CAN bus high and low here, another CAN bus high and low here, and then you got grounds and powers. And then we've got this setup here. Let's see if we can get it on the microscope. Okay, so we've got the purple signal wire, and we've got one gray boot, and we've got that jump to the other boot with another wire, just soldered on. We already hit the backup button here. We backed it up just before we do the clone process. So now I just clicked clone, and it says to connect the original module, then click OK. So we're already connected with the original module. We're going to click OK. Okay. Okay, EEPROM was faster. Now it says to connect the donor module, then click on OK. Okay, so I'm going to hook up the donor module. Okay, so that's the original, and here's the donor. I'm about to hook up the donor. So I'm going to take these wires off and put these on the donor. Okay, so we've got the donor hooked up now. And we're just hooking this up according to the diagrams they give us. Here you can see the diagram. There's two boots and one signal, and that's for the internal wiring. And then for the external, we have this little pin out here with a guide. So it makes it really easy for you to find the right wires and where to plug them in. All right, so this one's finished. This is from a C250. I believe it's a 2014 or 2013 C250. It's cloned, it's ready to go. This was the donor, which is now an exact replica of the original. So I'm just going to put these back together, ship them out, and we're on to the next one. If you need this service, give me a call. The number will be at the end of the video and in the description. My name is Michael. I'm a Mercedes-Benz specialist. If you need your Mercedes-Benz ECM cloned, get in touch with me. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. That really helps me out. Thank you.